Hello everyone, my name is Tony Perez from Home Pros Guru. I suggest that you become a member by hitting the bell, and then that way you can be notified every time that we upload one of our videos. Please leave your comments, we really will appreciate that. This week we're painting this nightstand. We're gonna prime and paint this nightstand. We were debating to buy one, and then my wife, as I am a painter, she said, "Why don't you paint it?" And I said, "Oh man, that's a good idea. We can probably save some money." So here I am, painting this nightstand, priming and painting. What you will need to do this job is this small tray, one mask, these rollers, which I used from last week, still fresh because I placed it in a bag. You will need a sander, but the sander makes too much noise, and the thing is that if you use a sander here, you're gonna damage the furniture. So not a good idea. It's too much noise, too distressful. So I'm not using that. I'm using this sander. I'm using some sander like this to do this edging. If you don't do it like this, then you're gonna damage this part. So the type of sand that you will need is one that is called 3M longer lasting 120 medium no slip grip. It's a very good sanding. This is what they call 120, the 120 number. And then for primer, you will need the Kill 2 or Kill Z original, Kill Z from Home Depot. It's a very good product. It's for interior and exterior, and for furniture this works pretty good. And also you will need this type of paint, Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Premium Latex Paint. Again, premium latex paint. I'm using semi-gloss white. This is also from Home Depot. Oh, and also you need a couple of racks like this and one brush. If you don't have a brush, you don't have to go very expensive on this. I bought this at the dollar store. I'm a painter, but I didn't have a brush at that moment because all of my tools were at the job site. I did this on the weekend, so what I did, I went ahead and got this at the dollar store for $1.25. This works good for this. And as I said, this couple of racks to remove the dust from here. So I'm gonna start sanding this, but I'm not gonna let you stay all this time and watch me sand this because it's gonna be boring. So let me go ahead and start sanding this so you can have an idea of what I am doing. I'm gonna start this part because this is more easy right here, and I wanna just do this part so that you can see that I am not going to damage this part. So let's go ahead and start doing this. Okay, I'm gonna start sanding. Thank you for being here, by the way. I really appreciate that. Okay, this is how you sand this area right here. By the way, I am unable to take this because this has like some hook inside, and I'm not able to reach it. So I'm not worried about that. I can work around that. So let's go ahead and start sanding, okay? By the way, what is home advice? Home advisor. Jesus Christ. I was gonna say home advisor, but they took advantage of me for so many years, charging me for high expensive leads, which I don't ever use Home Advisor anymore. I build a business based on leads, and it's too costly to put up with Home Advisor. So that's when I came out. That's why I created this website, which is called Home Pros Guru, which allow contractors to promote their business through my website. And that's what I'm building right now. I'm building Home Pros Guru. That's the name of the website. And what we do, we want to become the number one source of business for any homeowner or contractors to join this website. So whenever you need any contractors for anything to do within your home or business, that you can find those contractors through Home Pros Guru. If we don't gouge them, if we don't charge a lot of money to the contractors, then they'll be able to succeed and give you better prices. Because what other companies do, like Angie's List and Home Advisor, and those companies, what they do, they charge a high fee to the contractors, and then they end up passing on that fee to you, obviously, when they give you a quote, and that's not a good thing. We're trying to make sure that we are a source who allow the contractors to succeed without breaking their pocket. That's the whole idea. We don't sell leads. We when we become big, what we will do is just to charge them a percentage for membership. Like, let's say they pay $30 just to advertise on our website, and for those $30 they can get as many leads. We don't really care for them getting a lot of leads. I mean, selling leads, no, that's out of the question. We will never sell a lead on Home Pros Guru. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue sanding. So let's go back to business. When you do this, do it on a table. Make sure that you don't kill your back. I suffer from the back, so I try not to put too much stress on my back. So that's why I use a table. You see, doing it this way, if you use a machine for this, you're gonna damage the surface, and that's not a good thing. So it's best to do it manually. You don't want to get crazy on the sanding. You want to go slow. Don't kill it. If you go crazy on this, you're gonna mess up or damage the surface of the table. So go easy. One thing that we will do, this we're gonna paint it in black. It will be outstanding white and then black. The handles will be black. Today is a rainy day, so I'm not doing it outside because I don't want to take the chance and put water on this. Thank you for staying with me while I do this. I really appreciate it. When you sand this, make sure to put some pressure here. You don't want to damage the inside of the nightstand, like the rail. Again, don't go hard on the nightstand. Go slow. Don't overdo it. I forgot about this. Don't forget to wear gloves. I'm having so much fun. I love painting. I have a painting company, but I'm also, since I am a contractor, I say why not create a system for as a Home Pros Guru to help contractors and also to help homeowners. That's my dream. Everyone must have a dream. Remember that. Fight for what you really would love doing. On my email template, I have a saying that says, nothing is more rewarding than doing what you love doing. Isn't that wonderful when you do something that you enjoy, that you love doing? Yeah, it's wonderful. I'm always afraid about long videos, but you are with me. I really appreciate that you're staying with me to do this small project. All right. Oh, you also need a screwdriver to take this out. So let me ask my family members here to get me a screwdriver. Be right back. Hi. Can you get me a screwdriver? Can you get me a start to take this handle out? I'm embarrassed. I forgot about the screwdriver, but that's fine. My son is finding that. All right, I'm back. I need to take this out. Yeah, before you start sanding, you always need to take this out and make sure that you do this so you don't lose your screws. That's the worst thing that can happen, that you lose the screws. Okay. This I'm gonna spray paint, so I don't have to buy another one. We're gonna spray paint in black. All right, I just removed the handles. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding before I post the video because it's going to be too long. I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna start just doing some sanding so that you can see how I do it. It is better to do it like this, vertical, so it doesn't show too much mark. You're gonna have also this edging here. Don't go too crazy on it because you don't wanna erase that. Damaging that is not gonna help. See, the other issue is if you use this, it's gonna put too much stress on this, so I'd rather just use this. If you don't do your work, your homework with the sanding, it's not gonna really look good. The paint is not going to adhere too well on the furniture, so always make sure to sand whenever you do furniture. Before priming and painting, it's always critical to sand, to do a good sanding. Remember to use the rag to remove the dust. Okay, this side is already done. You can see a little mark here. This side is already done. You can tell by just passing your hand that it's a little like the varnish, whatever surface this was painted on is gone. Okay, so I'm gonna do the front now. I'm gonna do the front and I'm gonna be able to easily move without the handle, so that's the good thing about it. Look. Remember to hold the drawer in this case. Beautiful. This is perfect like this. Cannot go crazy. It's a light sanding. You're not getting this kill. It's a light sanding. Don't go too hard. Next drawer. Something that I forgot, you should never forget your mask. Make sure that you take care of yourself. Remember, health is important. Without health, we cannot do anything. So, I forgot about the mask. How come? How dare? And this is not the right mask, but this will do. This will help. All right. I am done with the front, the side, and now I'm gonna do the top. Imagine all the money we're saving with this. This baby, we've been using this for 6 years, more than 8, I would say more than 8 years. This definitely will cost us around $200 a piece. We're saving $400 by just doing this. And the quality is not the same if we will have to buy another one, another set. Guess what? The top is ready. I'm going to do the side. That will be the last part. Guess what? If you are a contractor in the construction industry and you want us to showcase your video, send it to us. We will be more than glad to do that. Send us your video and we will showcase your video on Home Pros Guru. Definitely, this is a good thing so that you can let your customers know how you do things. Yeah, can you believe that we're done sanding? One important thing is to wet this. Any one of these pieces of cloths, so that way you can clean this. Don't overdo it. Put a little bit of water on this, and then you can wipe out all these dust. You don't want to mix dust with painting. That's definitely not a good thing. Okay, I want to be respectful of your time. Let me repeat that. I want to be respectful of your time. So this is the first part of the project. I'm going to go ahead and get ready and do the second phase of the video, which will include priming this baby. If you do a good priming, then that will definitely impact the result of your video. So I'm already on 28 minutes. I have to do the second part of this video. So see you soon. This is Tony Perez from Home Pros Guru. So bye bye for now. I'll see you on the second phase of the video. Thank you.